Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, in this video I will to talk about the extended access list. Okay, extended access list (ACL) has a definition of access list type which has deeper features than standard access list. If the standard access list only filter search, then the extended access list can filter more specifically, such as destination, protocol, port, and so on. Okay. And example of blocking a ping ECMP connection from a host to another host located on different network. Okay. Now please note that the extended access list has several characteristics. The following are characteristics of extended access list. For the first, ACL number range 100 to 199, and the second can allow or deny a network, host, subnet, and a service. Next, for the third, select service can be blocked, and for the fourth, implement closest to the destination, and for the last, filtering based on source IP address, destination IP, protocol, and port number. In the extended access list, there are several types of service and their applications. Here are the picture. And the top, there is IP. This IP is divided into three. There are TCP, UDP, and ICMP. TCP includes HTTP, Telnet, FTP, and SNTP. UDP includes DNS, TDTP, DHCP, and NNTP. And for the last, ECMP includes ping and trace route. Okay, now let's just go to the lab. Make topology like this. This topology same as the standard access list topology. This topology consists of two router, two PC, one switch, and one server. Okay. The first step, as usual, we turn it on and add IP first on each interface. Okay. Let's go to the router 0. Now, enable, enter the global config mode. Interface FA0/0. Shutdown. Add IP 192.168.1.1 subnet mask. Enter. Next, to interface FA0/1, turn on the interface. Add IP 10.10.10.1 subnet mask. Enter. Next, on router 1. Okay, wait. No, enable, enter the global config mode, enter to wait interface fa0/0, turn on the interface, add IP, subnet mask, enter to interface fa0/1, turn on the interface, add IP 20.20.20.1 subnet mask. Oke, enter. Okay, if you have, then add IP on each PC and a server. PC, PC 0, I'm here, add IP 192.168.1.2. On PC 1, this PC, I add IP 192.168.1.3. Okay, for server, I'm at IP 20.20.20.2. Okay, after that, enter the routing configuration on both routers. The routing protocol is free. Here I'm use the GRP routing configuration. Okay, exit router GRP 5 network 192.168.1.0 network 10.10.10.0. No auto summary. Next, on router 1, router AGRP 5, enter the network 10.10.10.0 and net 20.20.20.0. Auto summary, enter. Okay, after that, ping between PC and server and try access the server web browser. Okay, for the first, let's ping. Success. PC 1 to server, PC 0 to server. Success. Let's try can be accessed web browser server. On PC 0, type IP server. Enter. Okay, PC 0 can be accessed web browser server. On PC 1, wait, web browser, type this IP server. PC 1 can be accessed web browser server. Okay, after all the configuration are running and the PC and laptop are connected to each other, now we can directly configure the extend access list. Keep in mind, the access list configuration should be entered on the router closest to the destination. For the lab, I will place the configuration access list on router 1, and the IP we will block is 192.168.1.2 IP PC 0. Okay, for the configuration extend access list, pattern is access list for the number ACL range from 100 to 199. Here I'm, for example, access list 100. Okay, deny next protocol that we choose, for example ECMP. Next IP host, sorry, I forgot, type the host first, host, IP host, for example IPPC0. Okay, next type host again, and for the last type host, IP server, like this. Okay, let's try on router 1. Exit, access list 100, CMP host 192.168.1.2, host 20.20.20.2, IP server, this is IP server, enter. Sorry, I forgot one word, this is deny. Okay, success. And the next command, access list 100, IP permit IP any. Okay, you can see wait, I will explanation this command. Access list deny, this is to intends to prohibit IP 192.168.1.2 from accessing the server, and ICMP here is the protocol we choose. Next, this command, access list 100 permit any. The command permit any to allows access to all IP except those we have denied. Okay, after that we enter the interface one of the interface router 1. For example, I'm interface FA0/1. Here I'm enter the command IP access group 100 out. If you enter the interface FA0/0, you enter the command IP access group 100 in. Remember, if using the command PC that we block cannot access router 1, and if you using the command, you can be access router 1 but not server. Okay, now after the entering the HL configuration, let's ping to the server. To see difference between PC0 and PC1, we ping both PC to server. Okay, let's try. Wait, on PC1, success. Let's try to PC0 to server, failed. Now it can be seen PC0 is no longer able to ping the server. Now let's try to access the web browser from the server. Okay, web browser, type IP server. Now it works. Why it is still working? Because we only the ECMP protocol, so we can ping the server, but we can still access the web browser from the server. Let's try PC1. You can see PC1 can access web browser server and can ping. Different for PC1. Cannot ping to server, but can be accessed web browser to server. Okay, that is a second that we have successfully configured the extend access list. Okay, maybe that is all the discussion in this video. Keep up the enthusiasm to learn. Greetings, Roy of IT friends. See you in the next video.